In every home where festival is welcomed, there stands a tree, not just any tree, but the tree that one catches every glance, every smile, every little gossip of wonder. And this year we are not just decorating a tree, we are telling a story, one handcraft ornament at a time, each ribbon carefully chosen, each bauble shaped by passionate hands. Every handmade star, snowflakes, or wooden toy carrying awe of care and love seal into every curve and color because handcrafted decoration are different. They don't just shine, they speak, they whisper about the laughter that made them, the family gather at the table, the little mess of glitter and glue that somehow made the moment even more perfect. When you hang handmade ornaments, you are not just decorating, you are preserving a piece of yourself. The tiny felt reindeer. A reminder of the year you learned patience. That hand painted glass ball. A symbol of the creativity that bloomed when you thought you had run out of ideas. That cinnamon stick bundle. A scent of home that will outlast the winter. This tree isn't bought, it's built with stories, with the weight of tradition in one hand and the spark of new ideas in the other. Every light strung is a promise, every ornament hung is a prayer, every final touch is the moment your heart says, it's festival now, it's winter now, it's holiday now. And when you finally step back, when the lights twinkle against the handcraft, beauty you have poured your soul into, you will see more than a festival tree, Xmas tree. You will see a masterpiece of memory, a celebration of family, a lounge of joy that will carry you into the new year with hope and warmth. This is more than decorating, this is creating. This is celebration of holiday, the season, handmade. If you want more designs, more ideas like this, follow for our channel. Every December, something magical begins. It's not just the frost on the windows, not just the carols drifting through the streets. It's the moment a tree, plain green, and quite transform into the glowing heart of the home. But this year we are doing something different, something more personal, something handcraft. The beginning choosing the tree. The journey begins here. Maybe you choose a tall, full pine, maybe a modest tabletop tree, because the size doesn't matter. What matters is the slow. What matters is the love that will dress it. Before a single ornament touches the branches, take a moment. Stand before your tree, look at it closely, imagine the stories you will hang on it. Every masterpiece needs a stage. The lights are not just decoration, they are the heartbeat of your Xmas tree. Choose warm white for a time.